Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the machine and entering service mode so you can reset system counters correctly. Power off, wait 10 seconds, then power on to clear transient errors. Make sure consumables like toner and drum are correctly seated. Loose parts can block reset functions. Once stable, open the front cover and press and hold the stop button plus the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to reach maintenance mode. This combination triggers the firmware's maintenance interface, allowing deeper resets without navigating normal menus. You now perform the actual reset steps inside the service menu so internal counters and fault flags clear. Use the arrow keys to locate options labeled Reset, Counter, Clear, Initialize, or Waste Bottle. Select the appropriate entry and follow on-screen prompts. Confirm each choice when asked because partial confirmation can leave flags set. Once the sequence starts, let it run fully. Interrupting power can corrupt settings. Make sure you note any messages displayed. They explain what the firmware changed and why it was necessary. You finish by rebooting and verifying the reset took effect so the machine returns to normal operation. Close all covers, power cycle the printer, and print a configuration or test page to confirm counters reset and network settings remained intact. If errors persist, repeat the service sequence carefully or check for available firmware updates that address stuck flags. If the issue continues, document any error codes and contact authorized service. Provide the codes, steps you tried, and firmware version so they can resolve the problem faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.